In this quick demo, I am going to show you an example of how a Python script can be used to create a custom SoundCheck interface. Let's say I have a folder full of SoundCheck sequences, and I want to be able to select which sequences to run using a simple interface like this. I used Python to create this GUI, then I integrated it with SoundCheck using the TCP/IP command set that we provide. This comes with comprehensive documentation that outlines all the available functions. Now, when I run my Python script, I am prompted to select the folder where my sequences are located. I can see all the sequences in that folder in alphabetical order. Running them is simple. I'll just select a couple of them, type in the serial number, and press the run button. As you can see, SoundCheck launches and runs those sequences in order, one after the other. This is just a simple example to demonstrate this functionality, but your sequences can be as complex as you want. I can also make sequence selections via the GUI on the go. For example, if I want to decide which sequence to run next based on the outcome of the current sequence. The GUI can remain open and can be used to run other combinations as well. For example, the second sequence in this list. This Python GUI can be used as a template to build your own custom GUIs and is provided free of charge from Listen. You can find all of these commands within the TCP/IP documentation in your SoundCheck directory. If you would like a copy of this GUI to customize for your own needs, please contact our support team.